Hi, I am Shoaib Mirza, Director Mirza Steels. Mirza Steels means trust. We are into this market since 50 years. Our association with Radha TMT is from last 10 years. We supply TMT to independent houses, commercial complexes and high-rise buildings. I myself is a civil engineer, so I suggest my customers for Radha TMT and LRF, which is a very good product. LRF gives good chemical purity and mechanical properties. The plus point with Radha TMT is it's approved in all government projects and all government departments, so it will make easy for us to sell it in the market. Even it is supplied to top builders and contractors in South India. We are having trust with Radha TMT because of its superior quality and best service in Hyderabad. They manufacture high-grade steel bars like 550D LRF with superior German Thermex technology. This is why we have great trust in Radha TMT and we recommend Radha TMT to our customers. Radha TMT, a DNA of stronger nation.